Hey, hello, hope you are well. So this is a quick video of the example, something like that. So this is the project I want to share with you. This project on not 100% match to your recommend, but it's a demo, so you can understand. So I am talking about the Google Sheet uh, topic. Okay, so you can see this is a Google form, and this is a Google Sheet. So uh, there you can see the section topic. So there are some product related sale post topic here you can see. So, and this is the Facebook. So let me go to a Facebook page. You can see this is a page where things are posting automatically. So let me show how it's work. So you can see this is a product name, kids watch with GPS. So this topic you can see comes from here, kids watch with GPS. So it's look like, so those topic I am listing on this Google Sheet. Gemini will write a post based on this topic on Facebook or any social media, something like that, which are support on make.com. So you can see. So I just uh, add the topic name and image link here, and Gemini will posting something like this. This is the topic name, and Gemini writes this cell post automatically with hashtag and image also. So that image comes from this image I added. So on this Google Sheet, uh, topic are written here, and Gemini post based on topic. So in this process I added a tricky. So I added a Google form. So here you can do a topic like this, something like that. Smart berry 02 keeps watch. Okay, so like you added a topic here, and like upload a image, something like let me show you. So this is the image. So the process works like I added a topic name and image link and submit, and the data added here. You can see I just type it here, Smartberry. So this is a topic name and this is the image. So today at like specific time, Gemini will write a post based on this topic and image and post to this Facebook. Not immediately. I set up for a specific time, like a trending time for Facebook, like in morning 11 a.m., something like that. So this is the uh, process of this. So you can change the you can skip the Google form option. You just uh, like add your add your post topic here, like 60 post topic. Like you can add 60 post topic here, and you just paste it here. You can write it from a ChatGPT, like ChatGPT write a 60 topic of this category, so ChatGPT will give you 60 topic, and you just need to copy and paste here 60 topic for each month, and Gemini will write post based on these topics. Okay, so in this area I am adding image manually, so I can do like uh, AI will generate image based on the topic. Okay, or you can add manual image of your brand. So this way we can do the AI automation post on free. So I always try to make free methods. I know paid methods are better than this, maybe more post in a day, but I always try to do free method, so you don't need to pay in future. So Gemini is a free AI tool which can write post on free, but ChatGPT is paid. So I hope this video will helpful. I tried to explain the process. So for your process, maybe I can change something based on your needs, but this is the basic of this process. I hope this video will helpful. For any issues, please text me. Thank you.